Potential Energy by Alexis, Alicia, Temple, and Chloe. How did the potential energy change when the upper magnet was released? So as you can see, there are two of the same diagram, one before the release and one after the magnet's release. So how did the potential energy change? There is a metal cart on a hill attached to a really big rubber band. At the bottom of the hill is a giant magnet. The magnetic and gravitational potential energy decrease while the elastic potential energy increases. The magnet is pulling the cart down the hill with magnetic force, but the rubber band stretches as far as it can go, stopping the cart in front of the magnet. So the magnetic and gravitational decrease because there needs to be more energy in order to keep them apart. The more energy put in, the potential energy decreases. But the elastic potential energy increases as the rubber band stretches. A couldn't be the answer because even though the elastic potential increases, but the magnetic and gravitational decreases as the poles and masses get closer. B couldn't be the answer either because it is true that the magnetic and gravitational potential energy decreases, but the elastic potential energy increases as the band is stretched. Lastly, C couldn't be the answer because the magnetic potential energy decreases as the objects get closer, even though it says that the elastic potential energy increases while the gravitational decreases. Since the cart is attracted to the magnet, the cart moves and the rubber band stretches, causing the elastic potential energy to increase. Since the gravitational potential energy is attractive, the closer the objects get, the lower the gravitational potential energy gets. So how did the potential energy change when the upper magnet was released? The potential energy changed because the elastic potential energy increased as the magnetic and gravitational potential energy decreased.